All right, Tommy, I went to locksmith school like you told me to, and I'm ready to report back on the new technology in Deadbolts.
All right, let's see what you learned.
All right, well, what do you say we start over here? Now, typical deadbolt, right? You have a key, and you can operate the deadbolt by simply turning it, locking it, and unlocking it, no problem. But you can also operate this off of a keypad. Now, there's a 9-volt battery in there, and you can punch in a code to open it up. Don't look. Now you can operate it without a key. And the nice thing about this, well, it's pretty obvious. If you've got a rental house or something like that, you can easily program that in there, but then you can deprogram it and you can lock people out without having to get a new key made.
And you can also put multiple combinations in there also.
Good point. All right, now let me show you this one. Very high tech. Believe it or not, it works off of your fingerprint. Now, it's got a key, so you can always override the system at all times with the key. But you actually, it's got a lot of electronics on the inside. It runs on batteries, and I have programmed my fingerprint in there.
Your fingerprint?
Yep, watch this. Now, to lock it, anyone can lock it. You just tap it 3 times. All right?
Okay, that's good. Now how are you going to get in?
Watch this. Put my finger, it reads it, and I'm in.
Pretty good. Let's see, does it read mine? Nope.
Nope.
I guess I'm stuck outside.
But here's what's nice. I could program up to 50 different fingerprints, so I could let you in.
Wow.
And I can also limit when you can get in. So let's say you're the dog sitter. I could say that fingerprint only gets you in Thursday mornings between 9 and 11.
It's a pretty good deal.
And if you don't walk my dog, I can take you out of the system. All right, here's another one that's for you. This one, traditional deadbolt, works on a key just like that.
Yeah.
But what do you do when your tenant moves out and you're afraid he's taking the key with him?
Get a locksmith.
Well, you got to pay a lot of money to have this changed out or have the tumblers all fixed. So this one allows you to basically recut a new key. It is now working off of the silver key, right?
Right.
All right, well, watch this. Turn it a quarter turn. Take this learning tool, stick it in here. Oops.
I got it.
All right, now we take this out. We put the new key in, and now it operates off of the new key, but will not operate off of the old key.
That's pretty good.
Saves you a lot of time and money changing it out. The only caveat is you have to use a new key that is the same size.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, but there are a lot of different combinations when you have the learning tool and you can put it back in there.
I like it.
Yep. All right, now here's another one. It is probably the simplest, but I actually like it. On the inside, it is very easy to operate the deadbolt with
Thumb
your
lever.
thumb. Right. You leave the house and you want to lock it up, you've got to put the key in, you got to turn this, and you got to lock it.
Yep, that's pretty typical.
But it's sometimes you're fussing with the key. In this case, when you leave the house, instead of using a key, you can just turn the dial and you've locked the door.
I see, it only turns one way.
You cannot unlock it. You need a key to unlock it, but you can easily lock it like that.
Pretty clever.
All right, use those on your next renovation.
I will.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.